Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. This is a Pixie with a twist. I saw somebody with this hairstyle 2 days ago and I was like, okay, I have to cop this. So what you're gonna need is an 8-inch frontal wig. That's what I'm using, 8-inch frontal wig from Bellissima. And a razor, because that's what you're gonna be cutting it with. Okay, a razor. A razor is gonna give you that flat look, and it's gonna like stick on your head, like it's gonna lay flat, rather than using a scissors and cutting it blunt, and it's just gonna, it doesn't give an overall natural look. So as you can see on the video, I'm not really cutting it like track by track because that's just gonna take too much time. Plus it's not necessary. You can take like maybe 3 or 4 rows at a time, but the way you're cutting it at an angle, and each track or set of tracks that you cut, you have to cut it a little bit shorter than the previous one, but that's only for the bottom tracks, because when you get to this point, which is behind the ear, when you get to this point, which is behind the ear, that's where you want to start cutting it a little bit longer than you were cutting. That would depend, like the length would depend on like your preference, like how long you want the pixie to look like overall. And of course you're gonna pluck and bleach. I already bleached at this point, so now you see me plucking. I do have a more detailed plucking and bleaching video, so you guys can check it out on this channel. And the rest of the video is going to be self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let it play. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, ask questions. You guys, thank you so much for the support so far. It's been crazy. It's like the love, it's been so crazy. So I had to go in and do some touch-ups here and there. And then I was so terrified of cutting this fringe. I don't know why I always cut fringe, but I guess because I hardly do it on me. So yeah, I did it. So what you guys want to make sure that you do, make sure that you twist it. I don't know, like that gives it some effect, like this, yeah, that shape that I'm trying to do. It gives it that effect and it gives it a more fuller look. But that's if you are going for that type of look. Of course there's probably a million ways to cut a fringe, but this is my favorite way to cut it. And yeah, I'm just gonna be tweaking it until, you know, it's what I like. And yeah, the one side was much longer than the other, so that's why I had to put it back on the what is this thing, on this head thing. So yeah. after done cutting and everything, I used the website lotion. This is gonna give it the wet look and also gonna mold the hair. And yeah, like I used website lotion on everything or anything. And yeah, so now you see me trying to look for the part that I was creating. And yeah, I really like how this look turned out. It was very spur of the moment thing, because it's not like I had planned it, you know, but I had like an extra 8-inch and I thought, let me just try this out. So I do, for me, like if I had mousse, I definitely would have used mousse. It would give it a more, you know, I don't know, wet look. But after adding more wrap set lotion and like scrunching it like how I've been doing like this, and I blow dried it a little bit, I put some hairspray on it, which, what is that, Gotsui, and it started, you know, slowly looking like how I wanted it to. And yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Do follow us on Instagram at Bellissima_premium hair, and click and watch the video on the screen right now so you can learn how to bleach and cut your frontals and wigs. Thank you.